Again. One, two, three, into the four. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door.
Good morning, St. Michael's community. This is Dr. Mauro Bueno with morning news. In first news, we have decreased hospital admission. So now we have mandatory romaine lettuce in all meals for patient. These will increase the billings and the stay times. In other news, CDC has released information for zombie outbreak. Newark is on the quarantines. Floor teams, as per Dr. D, floor teams must stay until work is complete. Electives can leave at 3 p.m. Okay. Oh, they are coming for me now. Tell Ujwala and Dr. D I love them. Delete your post.
The previous message was brought to you by Clear Eyes.
Do you have dry eyes? Use Clear Eyes.
So the world is ending. No. It's not going to end.
Okay, so the patient is urinating blood. That's not good. If a patient is urinating blood, that's not a good sign. The creatinine was 1.7. That basically means that there's an up arrow, which means that there's something wrong with the kidneys. And the kidneys are in the back, right? They're an important organ. This patient here, you're not having a seizure. That's a fake seizure. Your mother is not having a seizure. Look, the patient's looking right at me. How can that be a seizure? That's not a real seizure. Basically, all patients are liars. All right.
Nurse! Relax, sir! Where's my nurse?
Sir!
My pain medication!
Sir!
I need
Sir,
my
you need
pain
to calm down.
You are not my doctor.
This is what we call a patient
You are
who's
not my doctor.
actively
Sorry, you need
seeking
to calm
pain
down.
medications.
You
This
are not
patient
my
is a
doctor.
liar.
You
Sir,
need to calm
you need
down.
to calm. Sir, you need to calm down, sir. You need to calm, sir.
You are not my doctor. You are not
Sir,
my
this is
doctor.
unacceptable to be physical. Medical student, have no fear. You stay aside. I'm going to handle this. I have a 3-stripe white belt in Tank Sudo. We're going to have to get physical, sir.
Where's my nurse?
This patient definitely has diabetes. We're going to consult Dr. Baranetsky because his sliding scale is not accurate.
Hey, Sina.
Hey Jess, what's up?
So I finally booked the venue for my wedding, September 7th next year. It's gonna be really great.
Hold up.
Seriously?
Did you guys hear this shit?
What's up?
The world's coming to an end.
I just bought my wedding dress! This is ridiculous! I can't believe this is happening! This is unbelievable!
Holy cow! Oh snap, look at this!
Hey, Pa.
So does anyone have a case today?
Yeah, Dr. Costa, I have a case. A 60-year-old guy comes in with constipation. We tried everything, but nothing's working.
The projector's not working today. Have you tried the proper pooping position?
I did not.
Okay, so guys, let me tell you. Proper pooping position, you want to keep the legs below a 90-degree angle. So now this can definitely be easily set up by using the proper pooping stool. You have a patient with happy poops. Now does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
But I think it'd be better if you showed us.
Okay, hold on. So imagine this is the proper pooping stool and this is the bathroom. And use your arms for support and you now have the proper pooping position.
Wallah, it's amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing.
Hi guys, hello.
Hi, Lakshmi.
Did you hear about this?
What? What's going on?
The end of the world.
End of the world? No way. Listen. The end of the world? I can help you with that. What's going on? Do you need anything before the end of the world?
I still want to get married, guys.
That's easy. I'll just call Josie. Shakir, my husband, GI fellow. He's gonna just wait.
We don't
Hello?
have time. Hurry up.
Habibi, Shakir, Habibi. Lakshmi needs some help. Can you get? Oh, you can get someone in 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah.
He's like
yeah.
ID fellow.
No, I don't make
No?
ID.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, Habibi. Shukran, Habibi. How's the kids, Habibi? Do you have okay. بنت صغيرة, the small one. Okay, did she eat? Perfect. Okay, thanks. Did I show you my last pictures? This is my two. Just look. Doesn't she look cute? That's so cute. Okay. I hope so.
Hey, you?
Hey, Rowan, did you hear it's the end of the world?
Oh, my friend, it's okay. We'll take care of it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Listen up, St. Michael's employees. My plan is working. The plan to stop Chris sailing from leaving St. Michael's to go to the Mayo Clinic.
Yo, Chris, it's the end of the world. I know. I'm working on that anti-zombie formula right now. What do you have for us? Hold on.
Wait for me, Chief!
Alright, okay, let's go. Let's read these EKGs today. Okay, do you see this over here? Someone read this for me. You, go read this for me. Now, read it. Do you see this right here? What is this? Do you see 2? Yo, what's going on?
Can you slow down, please?
I haven't even had coffee yet. What are you talking about? This is me slow. Come on, let's go. Next EKG, I'm bored. Let's go. Do you see this? Simple EKG. What's going on? Alright, let's go. Okay, fine, no one knows it. Okay, you're killing patients by not knowing these things. Let's go. Okay. Do you read this? Anyone? You, do you have any questions? Can you see this?
Dr. Habib, do you know that the world is ending?
What do you mean?
The world is ending. There's zombies attacking the whole hospital.
Well, if the zombies don't kill you, I'll kill you to stop the heparin drip on my patients. Classic risk.
Yo, Chris, I have this Red Bull for you. Any news on the new virus antidote?
Yeah, Mayo Clinic. Okay, manifestation of fulminant bacterial. Yes.
Awesome, dude. Awesome.
I've reverse engineered the virus. These zombies, they're coming through this virus text right here. So you can see CCTT, GTCCCGTTGIN.
This is so much.
This is the reverse engineering. So all we have to do is we take this, we're going to inject this virus backwards, we're going to reverse manufacture it, and then once we take the virus, we're going to take the vaccine, inject it into the people, and it should reverse engineer the patients back. Okay. It's like fulminant hepatitis. It's like hepatitis. I did an AST greater than ALT. AST is greater than ALT.
Finish this, Chris. You're doing amazing. Hey, Christina. I have. Hi. I have this list of patients, and my student, my intern, is doing bullshit. So
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I don't know what to do here.
It's okay. That's okay. But did you finish the QI project yet? Because the world is ending soon. So.
Honestly, the project I have, it's going on. It's gonna be ready into like 2 days.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, finish it up. Okay.
Christina,
Okay, thank you, Christina.
Christina, if I get killed by this zombie, everyone will get the extra cup.
Epa! Oh no. Aha, they told me the world was ending. Somebody tell Dr. Chaban! Is the world really ending? Aha! No. Epa, I need your help. How you spell Ali Habib? Habib or Habit? Yo no sé.
Hamid, come on, it's the end of the world, come on.
Hey.
What's happening?
The end of the world.
That's okay. Just call me when it's done.
That plan is working very good now. If I can have Chris, nobody can.
I knew it was you all along!
Who? Chris?
Dr. Bogosian! You obviously put the name right here! I reversed the virus genome! And you wrote right here! It's me, Dr. Bogosian! Maker of the zombie virus to stop Chris from leaving! I knew you didn't want me to leave!
Sorry, Chris. I knew you'll figure it out. Please, Chris, don't leave me.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry! No!
That's enough.
The world is ending, but meanwhile, hey Prince, the world is ending.
I don't care. I can take care of it. I can handle it. So I don't mind.
Yo, buddy, what's up, my man? What's up? Do we have any patients together?
Yeah, we have this one person came in with chest pain in 806.
Yeah, this patient, we can do, his troponins are up and his BNP is down, and, we can do EKG, then we can do stress test, maybe cath tomorrow morning.
Dr. Suleiman, did you know the world is gonna end?
The world is ending? Honestly, I can call Shahade and we can make maybe cath tomorrow for everyone before they become zombies, or maybe after zombies. I don't know. We can do cath for everyone. You want a cath?
Yeah.
Let's go to cath.
Prophylactic zombie cat.
Yeah, let's do cath now.
Dr. Kazmi, come in.
Hey, Dr. Cosme, I have the script for you to sign.
What is this? Xarelto?
Yes.
Xarelto. Okay. This is for who?
Patient is in 714 bed 1.
Oh, yeah. The CT, did they do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Also, Dr. Cosme, just to let you know, it's the end of the world.
What do you mean?
The world is ending today.
Okay, I have to call Takisha. Hello, Takisha? Yeah, I'm sending the resident with the script for the Xarelto. Also, he told me world is ending. Discharge everybody. I'm leaving. Dr. Kazmi signing out.
Thank you, Dr. Cosme.
Hello? Yes, I am not taking the patient to the ICU. The patient is stable.
Yo, Issa.
Hold on.
Issa. The world is ending.
What do you mean the world is ending, Dimitro?
The world is ending, Issa. Everyone knows that.
Oh my gosh, I am definitely not taking the patient. Dimitro, I've always wanted to fly.
It's okay, Issa. I'll make that wish for you. Just meet me there.
Where?
You know where. Let's go, Issa.
Dimitro, I feel so alive!
Yes, Amir. Yes, I know. Can you move to the left?
I cannot move, Dimitro! My pants are too tight, I'm afraid they will rip!
Issa, this is bullshit.
This is the best day of my life!
This is bullshit.
So what do they call a cat? What do they call a cat,
Did we have this discussion with the family? Anyway. Patient is hemodynamically stable. Okay. Neuro, stable. Eyes, stable. Nose, fine. Heart, stable. Kidneys, fine. Elbows, stable. Is that a code going on over there? You know, the patient probably needs some dalbutamine. Okay, let's look at the chest X-ray here. What do you see? That's normal. So, yeah, it's a good thought. So you said pneumo. Yeah, what causes pneumo? Trauma. Okay, that's one. Iatrogenic? You know, I'm thinking of at least 87 causes of pneumo, and you just gave me one.
Dr. Edelman, do you know the world is ending?
The world is ending? Interesting enough, I read an article in the New England Journal about the end of the world. They say the end of the world, the mortality rate is about 99%. Let me go get that article.
Dimitro, one more request before the world ends. I want you to paint me.
Okay, Isa. Say no more.
Meanwhile,
Adi, you don't fly? You don't paint me?
uh-huh.
Isa, it's done. This is bullshit.
Dr. Shaban, dude, the world is ending. You gotta go. Shit, go. I gotta get the end of the world outfit on. Let me go. Okay. I think I'll be safe in here. Don't think they can find me. If anyone finds this video, these are my confessions. Okay. I've tried so hard, but I just want to let everybody know that I'm only 1/8 black, and I'm not really from Africa. I mean, I don't even like hip-hop music, and watermelon is so gross. Pineapples do not go on pizza. My favorite president was not Barack Obama. It's Donald Trump. And if my wife happens to see this, remember that Hannah Montana poster we found in our son's room? It wasn't his. It was mine. And it's the end of the world. Ain't nobody getting discharged today. Man, I don't even like discharging patients. If I'm about to die, I'm gonna be the real me.
Good morning, drop the computer. How we doing? Morning, kiddies. Hi, good morning. All right, we'll see. Next patient.
So this one actually is very interesting. This one of the zombies came last night.
Let's see.
Complaining of shortness of breath.
This is one of the what?
Zombies came last night.
This is one of the zombies.
Yeah.
We got a chest X-ray on a zombie, I'm assuming.
It's a zombie. It's dead.
So you got a Malampati?
What is that?
You don't know Malampati?
No, I'm sorry.
So we don't give Malampatis on dead people. You got an ABG?
He's dead.
Okay. Should get an ABG. You should know how. Let me guess. We got a CTA and a dead person too.
Yes, we do. That's the ER.
Yeah, damn ER. Don't order CT on anybody. All right, kiddies, we're all done. We're gonna take a look at some images. If you want to stick around, stick around. If not, I don't want to see you.
Dr. Slim, Dr. Slim! We caught one of the zombies. We need your help. Zombie? This is not zombie. This is obviously spontaneous bacterial fulminant meningoencephalitis. What did you give him?
I think in the ED they gave vancomycin.
Vancomycin, haha, of course. Do you guys not have the order set for the zombie protocol?
Come on, guys. I mean, look at this. Jihad, look at this. I mean, I know I'm only like interstate gastroenterologist, but this to me looks like a liver disease. Like only liver hepatitis. I don't know. We can just do colonoscopy if you want. I don't know. What do you think?
I mean, what was your diagnosis?
We thought it could be zombie endocarditis.
Endocarditis, haha. That would be my 99th differential. What we have here is Newark fever, okay? There is an IDSA legend that one man will be immune to this. You must find him for the cure. Now go. Take him out of my office. Amani, Hen, let's go.
Zone, yo, macaron, yeah, macaron, no, chacaron, 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 chacaron.
In the Ghani blade, in the Ghani flow, I'm in the chacaron, in the Ghani flow, in the room, then I'm in the Vinny flow.
Chacaron, 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 chacaron.
Yeah, well, it's amazing. It's amazing.
Hey, Wawa. Hey, Misha. What's up, guys?
Hi, Lakshmi.
Did you know about this?
What, the end of the world?
Yeah.
You know, Lakshmi, Nisha, the end of the world is coming.
Okay. Wait. What, are you gonna see my face?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, gross. I think I touched something, man. Yo, Chris. Did you bottle?
That's what I just got.
Bottle.
It means brave.
You're not brave?
I don't. She's like, how do you know what that
Go! Look at Jess!
He's out of his mind.
Hey, Jess, what's up?
So we finally booked the venue for my
Hold on. Did you guys hear the shit? The world's gonna end.
I just bought my wedding dress!
Look! Hurry up, Ted!
I don't know the song.
You don't know the song?
I don't know like the exact dancing move.
Chacaron.
In the Ghani blade, in the Ghani flow, I'm in the chacaron, in the Ghani flow, in the room, then I'm in the Vinny flow.
Chacaron, 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 chacaron.